How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice. Today I have the opportunity to give you a video walkthrough on a 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX. On the SLX lineup, this is going to be the very first one in the series where the hardtop option is offered. And the SLX lineup, you have the all-new 26 and 28 SLX. It's going to go to the 31, 35, and of course our debut, the big one, the 400 SLX, which is the ultimate entertainer. The 310 SLX is a perfect one for an all-around usage boat. On the back of this boat, you're going to have twin 300s. It being a Sea Ray, it is going to come standard with that joystick feature, integrated with autopilot and joystick docking. This boat, beautiful sun pad. With it being the SLX lineup, you're going to see the diamond stitching throughout, but the back of this boat is set up to entertain in a couple different ways. Ratchet seats, pop them up and down, but below you have tremendous storage that not a lot of people know about on this boat. 3 dividers, there is a drain in there. Not that I've done it before, but you can fill it with ice and some beverages for enjoying yourself. Tucking in, it is a step up and then a step down. Nice way on this one is it just separates 2 separate areas on the boat. Battery switch conveniently located right here for on and off usage. So when you're walking off the boat, getting out of the dock at the end of the night, kill all the power of the boat. Follow me inside to the cockpit. This one we're going to have equipped in the stone gray seating. Again, I already mentioned that nice diamond stitching that you see throughout the boat. Similar in Sea Ray fashion, the boat is designed to entertain and family entertainment comfortably. The table does mount here over to the side. It is a nice triangular teak cockpit table, which is a nice accent piece, but it never blocks the walkway when you're coming on and off the boat. Over here on the side is going to be your prep station, the nice Corian countertop. Below we have just an empty basin sink, which is great for storage. You can upgrade to a Kenyan cooktop to have in here, which is going to be a Kenyan grill. But located off on the side, you actually have your normal outlet receptacle. Similar to my previous videos when I've pointed this out on the 320 Sundancer, it's a great spot if you want to plug in a blender, ice maker, stuff like that. Good for overnight camping stuff or entertaining for a day on the water. Below on this one does have the fridge in there. Nice spot to entertain. A cool thing with the SLX is you're going to have all the nice bells and whistles on it. I can't point them out right now because it is a little bright outside, but at night, the ambient lighting that is in here. And on the bottom, you'll see these little strips. And I like to point this out because at night, that does have the RGB lighting that will change to all the colors. So this one being a 31-foot boat, it is slightly larger than the other SLX models, but it all has a similar configuration. So double wide passenger seat, big bolster to flip that up. You have again a double wide seat over here at your captain's helm. So right here you are in full control of the boat. You have twin flush mounted Simrad 12-inch, no lip on there, nice and clean. You have simple LED switches for easy on and off, and of course your leather wrap tilt steering wheel. Below it is an upgrade. You'll see the little kick plate. People will ask, why do you put an aluminum, kick plate on your boat? It looks cool, so that's why we put it on there. Over here on the side, this one does have your dynamic running surface offered by Sea Ray. Right behind it, of course, you're going to have your nice throttles and then that nice joystick that I mentioned. Easy, everything's within reach. I mentioned earlier that this boat is a first with the hardtop, which means it's the first one you get with a sunroof. Take a look up. This is my favorite feature. It's simple, but when you're out on this boat at night and you want to enjoy a little bit more, open that up. So if you're out cruising, it's manual, easy, open. It's not going to fail, but open that up so it's nice if you want to go out, for example, on the 4th of July and see some fireworks. It's pretty cool to open that up and just enjoy it even more, and to let some sun in here a day like today when it's not too hot and you want to be in that heat. Over here on the side, this is a 31-foot boat, but it is a massive day boat. This is a vented bathroom. Look at that. It even has a backsplash in there. Nice sink, easy in and out. It is large, and it is an macerator in there for it as well. Follow me into the bow. Nice and deep, and it is wide. So actually up here, a cool thing that Sea Ray has is you have 2 tables that mount on either side that you could do for filler cushions, or you can have the big one right here in the middle that I'm pointing out with my lovely hospital booties that I have on. But up here in the front, double wide seats, plenty of room to sit comfortably and enjoy a day on the water. You're going to have 3 cup holders on both sides, and you're going to have additional music up here that you can enjoy. As I said, this is a perfect boat to spend the day on the water and enjoy yourself. Up on the front, the boat never ends. Of course, you're going to have your nice concealed windlass up there. A difference that this does have is that you have the option for additional remote control up there. So you can control it from the remote at the front, the manual hand winch if things go wrong, and of course you're going to have it at the helm. Guys, this is the Sea Ray 310 SLX. It's located right here at MarineMax Venice. My name is Mike Ulrich. If you want to learn more about the boat, come on and see me. Thanks for watching.